Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. And if you're a regular, thank you for returning. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll know when I'm uploading new videos. Tonight, I'm bringing you a chicken breast recipe. I have 4 chicken breasts, thinly sliced, and I'm making a Sofrito sauce with white wine. It is delicious. I have here half of an onion, 1 small tomato chopped. I also have 3 tablespoons of Sofrito. I have 4 minced garlics, and along with that, I'm going to add some seasoning to it. I'm going to be using salt and pepper, 1 teaspoon of sazon, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and I'm using half of a cup of white wine. You can use drinking wine if you prefer. And if you don't have wine, you can use chicken stock or chicken broth. So now I'm going to season up the chicken, and I'm going to season up both sides. So all the seasoning that you saw on the counter, plus the sazon and the garlic, I'm adding to this. Okay, so I have some oil heating up in the pan, and I'm going to start pan-searing the chicken fillet. And these are going to take about 5 minutes on each side to cook. So in all, it's going to be about 15 minutes to cook the chicken, and then I'm going to make the sauce. And the onions are cooked. I'm going to add in the tomato. And I wish you could smell my kitchen right now. It smells delicious. So this basically is going to make a little sauce, and I'm just going to let this cook down for about 5 minutes, and I'm going to add a little wine to this. I'm going to add a half a cup of white wine. Okay, so I'm going to add a little salt and a little pepper, and I'm going to add a little garlic powder. And this is going to be what we're going to put over our chicken, so that's the reason why we need this to taste really good. Now I'm going to add a half a cup of white wine. Now if you want to add more wine to this, it's up to you. You can add more wine to this. Now if you want to add some tomato sauce to this, you can, but I'm leaving it out of this recipe because I don't want the sauce to be too heavy. We're going to add the chicken back. So I'm going to add some of the sauce over top of the chicken. And I'm just going to let this cook for about, I'm going to say 5 minutes, and then it will be ready. And And this is a quick dish. If you want something really quick and you want to get out the kitchen really fast, this dish right here is definitely a quick dish, and it's really delicious. So this dish is basically done. So now I'm going to show you what I'm going to pair it with. So along with the chicken, I'm going to pair it with some white rice and some zucchini and summer squash. This recipe also is great if you're making fish. Something that's white and a thick fish would be great, and it would stand up really well in this recipe. This sauce is really delicious, so I'm just adding a little over the chicken, and I'm going to add some over my rice also. Now I'm going to add a little parsley just to give it a pop of color, and dinner is ready. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. It's time for me to go. Thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. Please stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Have a good night. God bless. Bye-bye.